18 years of trusted quality, high-quality conventional wiper blades that have stood the test of time, meeting or exceeding all original equipment manufacturers' standards for quality and durability. Ease of installation, comes equipped with a pre-installed J-hook adapter for easy installation on most vehicles and contains a multi-adapter for fitting additional wiper blade arm types. Improved driving visibility and safety, multiple pressure points and embedded friction reducers enable even pressure distribution across the length of the blade, helping to deliver a clean wipe. All-natural rubber squeegee, resists cracking, splitting, and tearing caused by various hot and cold weather conditions, windshield wiper fluid, and road salt. Traditional blade structure, built with a galvanized steel frame that provides long-lasting strength and durability and prevents rust and corrosion. Rain-X, a recognized and respected name in wiper blades for almost 20 years, is committed to providing you with the confidence of improved driving visibility. For over 15 years, Rain-X WeatherBeater, the original WeatherBeater wiper blade, is still known and trusted for its quality, durability, and value. WeatherBeater has been designed to be a high-quality traditional wiper blade that meets or exceeds all original equipment manufacturers' standards for quality, durability, and construction. This conventional blade features a natural rubber squeegee, a classic galvanized steel frame, multiple pressure points, and embedded friction reducers. The natural rubber squeegee provides resistance to cracking and splitting caused by weather, windshield wiper fluid, and road salt. The galvanized steel frame provides long-lasting strength and durability while also preventing rust and corrosion. Multiple pressure points and embedded friction reducers enable even pressure distribution across the length of the blade and help provide a clean wipe. If you need additional help with determining the right wiper blade size for your car, reference our Blade Finder or Amazon's Confirmed Fit program. If you need help with installing your new wiper blades, installation videos can be found by scanning the QR code on the back of your wiper blades packaging. Top reviews from the United States. Best rear window blades I have used. By far the best and longest lasting rear window wiper blades we use. There really isn't more to say, they work great and are easy to install.